What's up, everybody? Came out for a ride today. You guys want to see some off-road stuff? I want to check out some off-road stuff on this bike. So there's a city park out here that has some motorcycle trails, and I thought I would come check it out. I don't know how well the bike's going to do without knobbies, but we'll see. If the bike sounds any different, I put the silencer in the exhaust to kind of tame it down and act as a spark arrestor, because they want you to have a spark arrestor in here. Plus, I figure, you know, the bike's pretty freaking loud without it. You know, keep legal spots legal by not being like abusively loud, I figure. What's this car doing? See, I don't remember how the trails go. I was out here on my YZ once, and I don't remember how the trails go, or I would just bust up into these trails, you know, off the side. I know there's not a lot in this park I can do, especially on this bike, because it's got a lot of rocky steps. It's a great place if you're a trials rider, but if you're on a motocross bike or a trail bike, at least the places that I've found, there's only like one little loop for you to do. But I figure that's better than nothing, and that'll get me a little off-road. Besides that, I think an off-road vlog on a Supermoto could be cool. I just missed the turn. How much I'll actually be able to do. We'll see, I guess. Some guys on dirt bikes back there. Alright, if I remember correctly, I want to go left here. And up over this. Big drop. Now you have to forgive me, it's been a while since I've been out on these trails. So, you know, taking it pretty easy also, because this is my first time on a Supermoto in the dirt. Well, like in any kind of real dirt anyway. So, you know, I don't want to dump the bike if I don't have to. I remember this spot sucked. Well, that's not too bad now. I'm a lot more confident on this bike than I was on the YZ the last time I was up here. It's still pretty nasty shit. Remember, I fell on some of this stuff. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it up this. Thank God for electric start. I'm going to go put the visor up because fuck a whole lot of that. Yeah, so woo, that's a workout. Man, I'll tell you what, it didn't do too bad. Like I said, this is my first time out on an off-road trail on a Supermoto. So, you know, it's sketchy as hell. The tires just get, man, it might be worse than wet with all these loose rocks. But I'll tell you, it's pretty cool to be able to do this on my street bike. Just ride up here and just ride up here on your street bike and blast out onto these trails like this. It's pretty fucking cool. Definitely very cool. Let's see what's down this way. I think I remember this is really... I remember this is some really fucking tight woods here. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Alright, here we go. That wasn't bad. Let's see how this super tight ass woods is down here. If I remember where the hell you get in, I think you get in down here. Yeah, here you go. I'll tell you what, the Supermoto is not a great woods bike. Ow. It's pretty baller that it stayed started. Let's just stand this fucker back up. Woo! All right. I don't have any idea what the camera's pointing at now. I can tell you, I am hot as hell now. Holy shit. I think I was in second gear. That's the problem. Yeah. See if I can clear this. Oh. Yep, just cleared it. This is some tight shit. I'll tell you what, this is definitely harder work than it is on the YZ. Because traction is just so sketchy. And by sketchy, I mean there is none of it. I want to see if I'm still recording when I'm supposed to be. Looks like we're still good. Just wanted to make sure that the camera didn't get bumped off when I fell back there. Onward. Man, this is some tight shit through here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna, I think if I see a spot to bail out to the road up here, I might take it. Just because my leg is still kind of iffy. And I'm surprised it took that drop as well as it did. I don't know if it'll do that twice, so, you know, I made it once without hurting my leg. I might want to just call it there, but I don't know, we'll see. I made it through some nasty stuff okay up here. I'll tell you, man, it's I'm pretty stoked. You know, I love riding my dirt bike. I don't know where this goes, so I'm gonna go this way. I love riding my dirt bike. I love riding a motorcycle on the street. I think this just goes right back where I just came from. This, you know, get to do both. Right on the street and in dirt. Did I just come from here? No, I don't think I did. Did I? I can't fucking tell. Yeah, I did. I just came from here. Actually, no. I don't know where the hell I'm at now. Woo! Yeah. That's kind of cool, man. Definitely very cool. See, another trail goes up there, but I've been up there and I barely handle that on my YZ. So, but yeah. So, I mean, I know I didn't really have much of anything to say back there, but you know, my leg's still kind of iffy. I just wanted to get out here and give you guys some off-road footage. I know some of you have been asking for it, and honestly, I just kind of wanted to do it anyway, just to, you know, maybe there's some people that don't know what a Supermoto can do, and even though I don't have that much off-road talent, I think I just at least sort of showed a little bit of what a Supermoto can do.